Hi kids! Today, we're going to learn all about colors. Are you ready? Let's go! This is red. Red is the color of an apple. Can you say red? R-E-D. Red. Now look, it's blue. Blue is the color of the denims. Can you say blue? B-L-U-E. Blue. Here comes yellow. Yellow is the color of the bananas. Let's say it together. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Wow! Look at the color green. Green is the color of grass. Can you say green? G-R-E-E-N. Green. Now it's orange. Orange is the color of pumpkins. Say it with me. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. And finally, we have purple. Purple is the color of grapes. Say it loud. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Great job, friends! Now, can you find something blue around you? You did an amazing job learning colors today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos.